Ananya Pathak.
Present, sir.
Anirudh. Ankit Kumar.
Yes, sir.
What about last two classes, Ankit?
Sir, I was there, sir.
Huh?
Sir, I was there. Actually, sir, my Wi-Fi went out, so that's why I couldn't attend, sir.
Could not attend or could not answer attendance?
Yes, sir. Could not answer the attendance, sir.
Pakka, I'll check the records. Huh?
Yes, sir. You can check, sir.
No. How many classes you have missed till now?
Sir, no classes, sir. I have attended all the classes, sir.
Okay, done. Anubhav. Anupam. Anurag. Archana Raj. Yes, since people are joining, I thought I will take attendance. Yeah. Ashish.
Present, sir.
Ayush. Chandana.
Present, sir.
Chaya.
Present, sir.
Chitlan. Neeraj.
Present, sir.
Raghavendra. Dara Sriha.
Present, sir.
Darshan Kamath. Diksha. Harshraj. Harshini. Indrakshi.
Present, sir.
Yes, Jayasri.
Present, sir.
Jyoti. Kirtana.
Present, sir.
Madhuri.
Present, sir.
Last class, ma Madhuri.
Sir, I couldn't attend, sir.
Why?
My battery was low, sir, and there was no current also.
Where you stay, ma?
I stay in Bangalore, sir.
Then Bangalore, if you are telling problem, what about others? The few people who are staying outside Bangalore in villages, they are attending. Monica.
Present, sir.
Naivadya. Narendra. Navasri.
Present, sir.
Navasri, last class.
I didn't attend, sir.
Why?
So there was some network issues, sir.
You only power electronics class, you got this problem?
Sir, after break, I could not attend, sir.
Any of the classes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nikita.
Present, sir.
Neenada. Nishkala. Nivedita.
Yes, sir. I'm present, sir.
Nivedita is present. Okay, Pallavi.
Present, sir.
Rajwal. Purushottam. Rachmalu. Reddy.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Ripu Raman Singh. Ripu Daman Singh, sorry. Rohit. Roshan.
Present, sir.
Preeti.
Yes, sir.
Samrid. Sanjana.
Present, sir.
Shalvi Singh. Shreyas. So many people. Shubham?
Sir, Samrit present.
No. You have to answer at the end again. If you remind, I will put attendance. I cannot go back. Shubham? Sukhad Girish?
Present, sir.
Suyesh Saxena?
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Saxena, last
Yes, sir.
a few classes were absent.
No, sir. Last I was present, sir.
How many
Yesterday I was
classes
present,
you
sir.
have missed?
Sir, only one, sir, on the Saturday, sir. It was that
Saturday.
class, sir. Yes, sir.
Saturday there was no power electronics class, man.
So then I haven't missed any class, sir, of PE. Attended all
Okay.
the classes.
I don't know why I have put a dot here. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
Tanushree, even if you attend and don't answer my attendance, you will be marked absent because I will not know, right, from other end whether you are attending or not. If you answer, yes. Tanushree,
Present, sir.
Yachana, Vachana, sorry.
Sir, you didn't call my name, sir. Tanushree K.
What, ma? Which name?
Sir, you didn't call my name. Tanushree K.
Tanushree. Tanushree, yes, right?
K, sir.
Tanushree K.
So for Rohit, you have not given attendance. I said present, sir, but my voice was not audible. So,
Yeah,
I even texted you in chat. Sir, you didn't give me attendance, sir. I said present, sir, but my voice was not heard. So I also texted in chat also, sir.
Chat and all, I don't have that much time. I have to teach or only see the chats. You have to answer.
Sir, my voice.
Yes.
Sir, my mic was not.
No, see, few to some extent till now I was liberal. Now people are taking it lightly, so I have to be strict. Okay. If you answer attendance, it will be marked present. Okay. Don't tell your problems, because if I go on listening 60 students problem, then how a teacher will be able to give his best? How he will be able to teach you concepts? He has to concentrate on that. Okay. School children are attending without any difficulty. I see in every home. Okay. So you stop telling problems. Okay. So if you have anything, very serious problem, you talk to me tomorrow, remedial classes. Okay. I'll discuss. Okay. But no, regular class, every class I cannot go on listening and wasting this much time. Okay. That's why I'm not taking attendance. I am taking at the end through some of your friends. Okay, I'll just glance and take a screenshot of chat box, and that is how I am marking, because I don't want to waste time in taking attendance. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Tanushree K is, what about Tanushree S?
Present, sir.
Tanushree S is present. Tanushree K is also present.
Yes, sir.
That's what. Salimat Varun. Make it
Present,
fast.
sir.
If you answer late also, I'll move.
Present, sir.
Fatafat. Bhumika. Vidyashree. Vandana.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Vaidyanathan.
Present, sir.
Vachana is there? Yeah, few people, those who have not answered, at the end you remind me. Okay. Otherwise, it will be marked as absent. Yes. Now, so I want you to, yes, Abhishek Gowda. Is that only 48 people? Till 11 people missing, not able to get up early in the morning. You are in the home. We come from long distance and we sit in the college and we teach, come in time. What is the difficulty with a student? That minimum seriousness should be there. Okay. Otherwise, it is difficult to convince the concept. These are, no, this is a 7th sem subject. I said it is there for the electronics in 7th sem. Now they have introduced it in 3rd sem. Okay, so it is not that easy understanding concept. So I'm trying my best. You also have to put a lot of effort. In 3rd sem, you have to concentrate on all subjects, because you don't have basics of any subject. So you have to concentrate. It is not one or two. This one, every subject is important, and every subject you have to score. Okay, so and this is an analysis subject. Okay, network analysis, network theory, and this power electronics, all DSD, every subject is, simply you cannot mug and, you score. Okay, you have to put your best effort and try to do well. Okay, so that's why tomorrow afternoon you all have to write a unit test on this chapter, whatever I have covered till now. Okay, I want to check with your cameras. You should be able to show me that you are writing without any reference. That is what understanding I want to check, and then proceed further, because I want to know where you stand, whether you are following or not. Okay, concepts. If not, let me take remedial classes and try to solve your problems. Okay, I'm ready to explain 100 times, not an issue. For a concept, if you ask me to repeat 10 times, I don't mind. But attitude should be, that learning attitude should be there. Okay, so that is very important in my case. So if you have no learning attitude, if you learn the things, definitely scoring is not at all a difficult task. So marks won't come automatically. You have to understand concept and convey that this is how you know the subject. It is not remembering and say that I forgot, sir. Okay, whenever I ask something, I am trying to check where you stand by tomorrow test. Okay, so to 1:45 sharp, everyone has to attend without fail. If I find absent is, I will give more work to them. Okay, so it will be difficult for you people. So intention here is very clear. You have to be very sincere in attending classes, very sincere in learning the things. That is what I want. If you are sincere, I will go to any extent to help you. Okay, so I'll consider your the problems and all, but performance wise, no compromise. Okay, done. So I will share my yes, hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Aditya Sunil, yes. So yesterday we discussed, and Chitla Neeraj said no, that part was not covered. Correct? No. Natural commutation circuit you have written.
Yes, sir. Yesterday you had not done
Forced
this.
commutation. Neeraj.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, I did not ask that question. No. Why you are telling me only that you did not teach? I have not asked you to answer. In the beginning, I thought that I will cover that and posted. Again, I changed the question, and everybody has answered.
No, you have asked the question that you wanted the diagrams and the explanation for RC and R circuits, no, sir.
Arey, second question paper, could you see in GCR? Immediately I changed. No, yesterday itself, others could answer all 50 people, 46 people know that it is changed question paper.
Yes, sir. The change question paper only.
Change question paper only. You have that?
Yes, sir.
Please recheck again. Instead of talking, recheck again.
Okay, sir.
And when I clearly gave the instruction, right? If that is the case, I am changing the question I told. Maybe you left the class early. That's a reason. Okay. So please think before commenting or messaging. Yes.
Okay,
And R triggering, I explained neatly with waveforms. What is the difference? What is the working? Everything I told. Anybody has got doubt in it, please let me know now itself in 2 minutes, because I'm going to switch over to next concept called commutation. All of you know, keep your videos on. Let me see. Unmute everybody. Yeah. Yes, make it fast. I need not tell now. Take everybody's name, individual name, and then take 10 minutes for that. Yes, yes, yes. Good. So any doubt in R triggering and RC triggering? RC triggering Bohr circuit explanation I gave. R triggering waveforms I draw. RC triggering, what is the change in the waveform? People have just copied from the text what material you had and just written. I'm not happy with that. What is your understanding? That is what I want to check in the second circuitry. First circuitry, when I explain, only I have added capacitor and one diode, and that explanation I gave. Very simple. So next circuit when I give, that is for self-learning. Same concept, R learning concept, R triggering circuit concept, if you know, just apply that understanding, apply that analysis here in RC triggering also, and try to write waveform, your own analysis. I want you to express. Okay, so that is important for me. Until and unless you apply your mind and try to analyze, it won't help anybody. Okay, so for me, I'm very particular about this concept. Okay, exam marks, that comes next immediately. Okay, if you are pakka with a concept, that is not a difficult task at all. Okay, so anybody having any doubt with respect to R triggering and RC triggering, let me know in first 2 minutes. I'll go to directly commutation. Don't tell me at the end that I did not follow, sir. This is the right time to ask questions. No questions? No questions? Arey yaar, I'm very happy to answer your queries. I'm eager. Why students are not eager to learn and ask questions? Some are there, every class they are active, they are answering. I'm happy for them. Rest 40 people, 10-15 people are responding every class. Okay, others have to respond. If you don't answer, then I have to call names, right? So anything on this? RC triggering, which is easier? Neeraj?
Yes, sir.
Which is easier circuit?
So easier circuit is of course R triggering, sir.
R triggering, RC triggering, this also I explained.
Yes, sir.
And one more circuitry, this is colored diode, SCR. Okay, this two diodes D1, D2, connected in this fashion. The way it is connected is different, but the working remains same. Okay, so you be pakka with that. You should be able to make out the difference, how it is connected and how it is able to give the same result. Okay, so Anirudh. Ankit Kumar. Ankit. Anubhav. Anupam. Anurag Ghosh. Archana. Yes, Ananya Pathak.
Yes, sir.
Just a brief, this explain briefly to others. Maybe if somebody has got doubt, you just let me check in 1 minute. Just give concept behind this.
Okay, sir. Sir, RC triggering, is it?
Yes. You are able to see, right? RC triggering.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. So in RC triggering, we have an AC source, which
Yes.
along with the variable resistance, and we check the output across the load, output voltage across the load, and we can see that depending on what the resistance value we put, we can change the triggering angle, like alpha, and there are two diodes, as we can see, and Over here, D2 is present to prevent any unnecessary triggering attempts during the negative half cycle of the source.
Very
And
good.
yes, sir, that's pretty much it.
Yes, yes. So 10 seconds I will take. It's correct what C is telling. Concept wise, you know the importance of each components in the circuitry. I'm happy for that. Everyone should be able to explain like this at least. No, please, I'll repeat this. AC source, when you give AC source positive cycle, if you take positive is connected to anode of SCR, A is marked with red color, right? So, and a negative terminal of the supply is connected to cathode. So SCR is forward bias. But to turn it on at lower voltages, what additional work you are doing? You are applying a trigger pulse. How you are applying a trigger pulse? From the same source, you are connecting one resistor and capacitor, right? And when supply is available across SCR and it is forward bias, same supply is, for the same supply through R, your capacitor is also charging. So this is a process happening internally in the circuit. The charging process has started. So capacitor charges to some value and immediately sufficient voltage, if it appears across D1 is the diode that get forward biased, because diode, if it is a silicon make, you know very well that 0.7 for silicon is enough to turn on diode D1. D2 don't talk at this stage. I don't want to confuse. I will tell separate. Okay. So D1, when it starts conducting, it provides a current for the gate, simple, and turn it on, and it turns SCR on, thyristor on, right? So that is how the mechanism is developed here to turn on SCR automatically. Correct? No, you are not switching on some supply and varying the supply. Resistor, if you put on pot, or if you just set the resistor value to one value, maybe 1K, through that 1K capacitor charges, and once capacitor voltage reaches the cutting voltage of diode D1 conducts and SCR starts conducting. Why? Because it gets a trigger pulse required, right? So that is a conduction angle. You can see the operation. Okay. Next, during negative half cycle, what happens? The SCR is reverse biased. Hope you understand now. By this time, you have followed the SCR characteristics. You have know the basics of SCR, and now aramse you will follow. You will understand during negative half cycle how SCR behaves. SCR is reverse biased, so no need to apply the trigger pulse. This has to come to your mind. Okay. Okay. So what is happening? Because of negative supply through resistor, what is happening to the capacitor? See, capacitor, for this capacitor voltage, diode D2 is conducting because of the negative supply connected to D1, anode of D1. D1 is reverse biased, and SCR is also reverse biased because your supply is negative. Negative half cycle, you are seeing the operation. You are observing operation of SCR in reverse biased condition. In reverse biased condition, D1 is also reverse biased. Why? Because same negative supply through resistor, it is connected to anode of D1, and cathode is connected to the gate. I hope people are able to see here. Yes, I'll just make it full screen, and then yes. RC triggering. Yes. So this is what I'm trying to tell. When supply is negative terminal is connected to anode of SCR, and negative is connected to resistor and to the anode of a diode. So same negative terminal comes here. Yes, that appears, and that reverse biases the diode also. and SCR also, both are reverse biased. When you say this, when diode D1 is not conducting, there is only possibility is the voltage across capacitor start discharging. How it discharges? It forward biases D2. Why D2 is forward bias? Because negative is connected to cathode. This is cathode, no? And this is anode. So cathode of a diode D2 and anode of a diode D2. So cathode connected to negative and anode connected to positive. Definitely diode D2 is forward bias. That's why it is conducting. And if it is conducting, capacitor starts discharging in this direction through this diode D2, and this is how it circulates. Okay, anti-clockwise through this circuitry, through the supply, through the capacitor, through the D2. That is how it starts discharging, because D1 and SCR are reverse bias, no path for the current flow through both the devices. So that is how negative triggering, this avoids negative triggering of a SCR. Means you are not allowing negative supply to go to gate of a SCR. Simple as that. Okay, that is the idea, main concept behind this. So this is how you should be able to explain at every stage, at every component, importance of component in the circuitry. Component may be your SCR, maybe diode, maybe capacitor, maybe resistor. You should be able to tell the importance of each of these components in the circuitry, and you should be able to mark the current direction. Then only I will say you have understood. Okay, so in network analysis, I think you have no resistive network you are analyzing, only resistor. You apply KVL, that's it. But in this, along with resistor, capacitor, you have diodes, you have SCR, and that confuses you. So you should be able to analyze without any difficulty. If you have any difficulty, please let me know now itself. Okay, yes, any doubt here? I have repeated, but how you draw the waveform? Similarly to R triggering, try to write the waveform. I will give a hint here. First, you write the supply waveform. Hope everybody follows this. You write the supply waveform.
Done the waveform. Can you check if it's right?
Yes, ma'am.
I said I've done the waveform now. Can you check if it is right?
Yeah. I'll check, ma'am. Huh? Maybe tomorrow remedial classes will have better discussion. Okay, because I want to cover this, because I have set the 2 questions on this. Okay. Yeah. That is a concern. Otherwise, we can go on discussion. I'm happy that you are asking, but I am there after the class. Anything you can contact, communicate, discuss. Always I'll be there. Only this class, because other 50 students, it should not affect. That is my concern. And waveform I'll check. You can just scan it and send it to my WhatsApp also. I'll be able to comment. Okay, so next part is very important. So others, those who are not able to communicate in class, you can communicate, you can send me your analysis, your graphs. If you want to check with me, you send it to my mail or WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp PDF copy if you want to send, scan it, convert it to PDF, and then send it to me. I'll be able to come in. Otherwise, best platform is remedial class tomorrow afternoon 1:45. There, everybody has to attend from tomorrow. All remedial. I will see the test performance, unit test performance tomorrow, and then I will restrict some people. Okay. I will make mandatory for the people who don't score well. Okay, and that score should come with your effort, not by just copying. I can easily make out based on your answers. Because you have joined professional course, I want you to be professional. Even if nobody asks you, even somebody gives you a textbook to copy, you should not do so. Why? Because this is a professionalism that you have to exhibit. Okay, that is the ethics you have to exhibit. We cannot go on cheating teachers. I know there are many good students, very sincere, very honest. I appreciate that. But few answers I checked last test, last 2 before last week actually. So the turn on methods, dv by dt, this pulse triggering, forward voltage triggering, and all I have checked. It is just copy paste. In many cases, few have written their own answers. I am very happy for them. Yeah, just because in between, why I'm telling this, because these beginning classes you should understand what is expected from you, because you are engineering students. Okay, you are into professional course. You are studying professional course. Yes. Next topic is commutation technique. SCR commutation techniques, or commutation techniques for SCR turn off, or you can say SCR turn off process or method, or commutation method, one and the same. What is turn off process or commutation? Don't call it as communication. It is not communication, it is commutation. Commutation is a process of turning off SCR or a thyristor. Simple, correct? In one line, I'm making it very simple. It is a process of turning off SCR. That is called commutation. It may be a natural commutation or it may be forced commutation. How so? What is natural commutation? Because these are the basic two types or classification we can make in commutation. So natural commutation, name itself says SCR can be turned off naturally. Naturally means during negative half cycle, SCR goes off naturally. No need to apply any external voltage, or user or design engineer need not worry of the turn off process. Okay, during positive half cycle it conducts, and negative half cycle naturally it goes off. Naturally it goes off. Correct? That's why we call it as a natural commutation, because of the reverse voltage that appears across the SCR that turns off during negative half cycle. Then what is forced commutation? Where this question arises, why we are talking about forced commutation? Can anybody tell me?
So you provide a condition so that it turns off.
Yes, correct. Condition you are giving so that it turns off. But why you require forced commutation? In which case you require forced commutation? Natural, I said. So I thought I will get to
so
tell
DC is constant.
Yes. Neeraj, who is it? Who is it?
Roshan,
huh?
Roshan,
tell me. Please be louder. I'm not able to hear you properly.
So maybe you use it for DC current, because DC current is constant.
Yes, very good, Roshan. This is what I wanted. This kind of discussion I want. Yes. Forced commutation, I have not explained, but based on natural commutation, something should trigger your mind, and you should be able to think and tell in that direction. So that thinking is important. The main purpose of education is to make people think. Okay, that is the purpose of education. Okay, so if engineer is able to think properly while solving the problem, it helps a lot. Okay, so regular process, regular repetition work, many people do, but you don't enjoy. When you are able to solve a problem, then it will be counted. You are more valuable to an organization. So thinking is important. That thinking you have to develop in this engineering course at least. Okay, so yes. Forced commutation comes into picture, as Roshan said, only in DC case. When you have AC supply, there is no need of talking forced commutation. Hope you people understand. Forced commutation, if you have DC supply, one example let me take. In a traction application, in railways, traction application, do you understand? Traction means railways application, I'm told. In the railways, you have a fan running inside, right, in the bogies, right? So those fans are working on your battery power supply. Battery is DC. DC is stored in the battery. Your mobile battery will store DC. Okay, correct? No. So that DC supply, when you have, and you are running the fan with the help of SCR circuitries, turning on is easy. You turn on, fan will run, but when you want to turn it off, inside there should be circuit, extra circuit that you have to build to turn off the SCR, because naturally SCR won't go off. Why? Because only DC, no negative cycle, no positive cycle. Correct? No. So during negative half cycle, your SCR goes off when there is a AC supply. But when there is no AC supply, only DC when you have to talk about this forced commutation. Hope people are with me and understanding the concept behind this forced commutation, meaning you will not forget it, because I gave the example. What is forced commutation? You are talking forced commutation only when you have DC supply and you are not able to turn off naturally because you don't have negative supply as well as positive. So your job is to have extra circuitry which can force SCR go off. Simple. People are following me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Archana Raj. Ashish. Yes. Diksha. Chandana.
Sir.
You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Others have to speak. Okay. So natural commutation. Next slide. Just I thought of putting across you. Yeah. Just it is a source of commutation voltage. It is a supply source itself that makes no device go off during negative half cycle. That is what the natural commutation already have told what it is. Okay. No need to explain again. So natural commutation is this. Are you able to see the circuit? Nivedita?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, good. So, Nivedita, what is there in this slide?
So you have shown a circuit waveform.
Please be louder, ma. Maybe your audio speaker where you have kept, just see. I'm not able to hear you in the beginning.
Circuitry and waveforms, sir. Natural commutation.
Okay, good. Can you name the waveforms? First waveform is what, ma?
Sine.
Input supply. Very good.
Oh, yeah. Down is the output, and in between is triggering.
Very good. Yeah. So those who have till difficulty in understanding which waveform is this and all, I think she has made it clear. First is Vs is a power supply. That is Vm sin omega t, and the circuit itself is written clearly. Okay. So that AC supply you have, and during positive cycle, your SCR is forward biased. Hope you understand this point. Correct? Your positive cycle, negative cycle of the supply. So one positive is connected to anode of SCR, anode here, and cathode here. Cathode is this, okay? Bar, what you have written. This is your cathode, okay? And this is my gate, correct? So when your SCR is forward biased with this polarity of the supply, that is, I am talking about positive half cycle of the supply. Means what? I am talking for the period 0 to pi. This is my pi. Pi means 180 degree. Correct? No? So let us try to understand in detail. So that, yes. So what is the time now? Okay, 10 minutes I'll try to complete because you have to answer 2 questions. Yeah, for the half cycle, do you understand your SCR is forward biased? But are you applying a trigger pulse? Yes, at 0 instant itself, second waveform. So you can apply trigger pulse of this nature. One more, this is I have taken directly, but I want to make it very clear. Same trigger pulse you can show like this. Trigger pulse applied at 0 instant, something like this. IZ, gate current, gate pulse. It looks like gate pulse, right? Yes. So you can write the square pulse, or you can write it as a spike. Spikes looks like this. How spikes looks? Spike looks like this on the top. Just I'm showing. This is a spike. Small sharp trigger pulse if you apply, suddenly SCR starts conducting. That is why they give sharp pulse. Okay, that is the idea. So nothing wrong in representing either this what I have written or this. Not any issue. So from the instant where you apply the trigger pulse, your SCR starts conducting. Means what? It starts from 0 instant itself, because at 0 instant itself trigger pulse is available. SCR is fired. SCR has SCR is fired. When a SCR is fired or triggered, it starts conducting. And what is the current flow? This is a current flow. Current flows from anode to cathode, then to through the resistive load. Resistive load RL, I will say, and this is how it circulates. This is how it is circulated. Okay, current direction. Clockwise current is flowing in the circuitry map. For that circuitry, for that current, you are getting output current IL, load current. This is a load current waveform he has shown. You can write load voltage also. So you can go on adding the waveform. I have written low because I don't have space. Actually, waveform should be bigger one compared to IL. Okay, while representing, I am just telling you to note this point, because IL is a waveform given in the circuit, this one. Okay, this slide. But extra waveform you can write. Output voltage is also important. Across load, output voltage or VL or V0, whatever you say, where you are taking across the load resistance. So hope you understand every point. Anything that is varying with variation in the circuitry operation, I am representing. That's why I'm using the slate. Okay, otherwise PPT presentation will not help you much in this kind of subjects, because you have to analyze and write the waveforms. Okay, so are you following? All are following me?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please let me know now itself. So what is, can you compare this with the rectifier circuit? Harshini? Harshini? Indrakshi? Darshan? Raghavendra? Chaya? Chandana? Yes. Can you explain this circuit, ma? You understood the working?
Yes, a little bit, but I have some doubts.
Yes, what I told is, let me repeat, during positive half cycle, SCR is forward bias, and you are applying a trigger pulse, something like this, you have shown in the waveform, and your SCR starts conducting. When it starts conducting, what is the path for the current flow? I have shown anode current direction, clockwise direction it is, anode current. Okay, so arrow mark I have shown here, from anode to cathode always current flows, and this is how it flows through the source. It flows through diode, SCR again, and then through the load resistor again. So this is how continuously current is flowing and voltage is developed across RL, that is V0. So this red colored waveform, whatever I have written, it is a voltage waveform. Second one, smaller one, you can just rub, not to confuse you. I don't know. If you understand, you can easily make out that. Yes, I have removed, and this is my, sorry. Yes, so this is my output waveform, and I'll say this is my V0. V0 is Vm sin omega t only. Whatever is there input, here Vm peak value of the input in the rectifier circuit. I think you have seen this. Vm sin omega t, you integrate 0 to pi, limits you take an integrand and you keep the expression and finally find out the efficiency of a rectifier, correct? Similarly, this is also rectifier, correct? Now, this is also rectifier. It is giving output for positive half cycle, negative half cycle. What happens to the negative half cycle? Negative half cycle, I'll just change the color and I'll represent purple color. I'll choose negative half cycle. This will be negative because your waveforms looks like this. Negative cycle means negative cycle and then positive cycle. Supply looks like this, and with that negative polarity, negative connected to anode of a SCR, and positive terminal is connected to cathode of a SCR. Cathode of a SCR. SCR is reverse bias. When it is reverse bias, there is no point in applying the trigger voltage. Okay, so negative half cycle, what happens? Output is 0. Output is 0. Okay, so pi to 2 pi, there is no output. 2 pi, there is no output. Output is 0. V0 is 0. Current is also 0. So current waveform is also 0. You are representing by 0. All of you are getting negative half cycle, no output voltage, no output current. This usually you can follow because you know rectifiers in basic electronics, correct? So this is working as a rectifier, but what is the difference? Controlled rectifier. This is controlled rectifier that you studied in basic electronics. It is uncontrolled rectifier. Why? Because here, wherever you apply trigger pulse, if you apply the trigger pulse here, suppose the trigger pulse here, spike something like this, what is the change in the expression waveform? This is the output you get. This is the output you get. Hope you people are following me. This is a change in the output. It starts conducting from alpha is equal to 90 degree. Because I have set the gate pulse like that, at 90 degree I have applied the gate pulse. Correct now? Purple colored, what pulse I have shown here, it is a trigger pulse. I am telling the instant when you apply the trigger pulse at 90 degree, the change in the waveform will be like this. Means what? I am trying to convey. What is the message you can get from this? That you are able to control the output. Simple. You are able to control the output. You have control over the circuit operation and output. That's why you call it as a controlled rectifier. So if you are able to vary this output, you are able to vary the voltage applied across the fan and control the speed of a fan. That is a mechanism you can apply. That is a concept you can apply to control the speed of a fan. Okay, in reality, you can build a small project on this. Okay, hope you people are following. No confusion. Can I expect yes or no? Kirtana?
Yes, sir.
Madhuri? Monica? Naivedya? Only Kirtana is following? What about others? Say yes or no.
Following, sir.
Very good, very good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is natural
Yes, sir.
commutation.
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Yes, good, good. Thank you. So natural commutation is this. During negative half cycle, your SCR is off, output is 0. Correct now? Naturally, SCR goes off. So that concept is also conveyed and rectification process is also understood. Correct? Right. Thank you. Next. So same circuitry, but change in the waveform. So one more thing, I may expect from you, what is a voltage waveform across SCR? How many of you, if you know how to write voltage waveform across SCR. It is not output voltage or output current I'm asking. I'm asking, can you write the waveform for the voltage across SCR? SCR voltage. People call it as SCR voltage. Last class, I think I told.
Yes, it will.
Yeah. When voltage across SCR appears, ma?
When it is non-conducting.
Very good, very good. That is a concept. If you follow this simple tips, you can analyze any circuit, any waveform you can write. If I give you 3 waveforms, you can write 6 waveforms. That is what motivates teacher, that you are following and you are applying your mind and going one step ahead and analyzing the circuitry. That is why I like this subject. Okay, just one circuitry if you give, I'll be able to write 5 to 6 waveform, and when you are able to write the waveform, you will be able to derive expression. But here the expressions are not encouraged here in the first chapter. They say without mathematical derivation, only concept at 3rd sem level, it is important, they say. That's why I'm restricting. Otherwise, I'll be happy to derive expression for each circuitry what I'm talking. Okay, so since it is syllabus is not recommending that, I don't go with mathematical treatment here. Okay, so that is the reason why I'm not talking till mathematics behind this. But definitely next chapter I have to. Okay, that time I'll tell. So this is a voltage across SCR. Can you see the 3rd waveform? All of you? Only changes that, just to show that extra this slide I have taken. Okay, so SCR can be connected this way, or previous circuit what you have, you can connect this way. Okay, source is connected to anode of a cathode. Second circuit also, source is connected here. Source is connected here, positive supply during positive cycle, positive is connected to anode. So always during positive cycle I keep it a red colored, so not to confuse you, I'll say this is red color only. Okay, so positive, and SCR will be forward biased with application of gate current at gate of SCR. Trigger pulse somewhere you can show as a second waveform. Here it is not shown. So SCR starts conducting means you can say the voltage across the load resistance V0 gets developed, because current is flowing through this. This is how current is flowing in the circuitry. We call it as anode current, or holding this load current, whatever you call, one and the same. Anode current means the current that is flowing through SCR from anode to cathode, that is anode current. So anode current you can mention here, same anode current is equal to load current, because when current is flowing through the load resistance, we call it as a load current. Okay, so when same current is flowing through the source, we call it as a source current. Okay, IS. So you can go on developing all waveforms. Hope you are following. Negative half cycle, no output. So natural commutation is happening. Your SCR is off during. So output is 0 volt, right? Output, and both current and 0 amperes, 0 milliamps or amperes. Okay. So during this period, pi to 2 pi. But pi to 2 pi, when a device is not conducting no output, that time that negative voltage, that is appearing across SCR. So this is my VSCR. In that from the net I took VT, voltage across thyristor. He says this is thyristor T. He represents with T. I have a habit of writing SCR. Okay, one and the same. Thyristor family, you have 10 to 12 devices. In that one device is SCR. So family of devices, when you want to call, then you can tell it is thyristor. But for my understanding, it's one and the same, both. Okay. So good. So I'm sorry, I'll stop here because time up. So same waveform I have written here. Okay, trigger pulse you have applied after some, can you see the pulse here? Trigger pulse. Yes, trigger pulse here in the waveform. From that point, your output starts. You start getting output. Correct? No. So up to by 0 to alpha, you are not getting any output. Why? Because you have applied trigger pulse here, and the moment you apply trigger pulse, you get turn on your SCR and you get the output, right? Yes. So I'll continue with the same. Please try to answer. It is because in the break time you can answer my questions. Okay, I'll post in the this one GCR. So GCR, I want to keep this link information. Yes. Yes, there are 52 people. Anybody who missed in the beginning answering attendance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From the beginning. From the beginning in sequence you tell. Anybody?
Abhishek Gowda, sir.
Nishkala, sir.
Sir, Abhishek
Ayush
Gowda.
Jaiswal.
Nishkala, sir.
Yes. One at a time. Abhishek Gowda. Yes. Aditya.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
What about Anthony?
Anirudh, present, sir.
Ananya MS.
Alfred.
Ananya MS. Ananya. She is not there. She is not there.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Ananya.
Present.
Ananya MS is present. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have difficulty.
Sir, Nishkala is present, sir.
Anirudh. Yeah, I will come to that now.
Anirudh is present. Present, sir. Present.
Anubhav.
Present, sir.
Anupam.
Present, sir.
Anurag Ghosh. And Archana.
So I missed my name.
Who's that?
Alfred, sir.
Alfred Anthony. Yeah. Present. Anurag. Archana Raj is absent. Ashish. Okay. Ayush.
Present, sir.
Ayush.
Yes, sir.
Last class.
So I was there.
But you are not answering.
No.
Okay. If you answer, then only you will be marked present. Okay. Raghavendra.
Okay,
present, sir. Present. Raghavendra, present, sir.
Darshan. Only once you tell. Huh? Darshan Kamath. Diksha.
Yes,
But I did not get these answers when I asked the question. Attendance when I call, your net start working. Correct, no? Raghavendra, I asked a question, man. Darshan Kamath, I asked a question. Why you people don't answer? Diksha? Harshraj?
Yes, sir.
Diksha is there?
Yes, sir.
Answer, ma'am. Fatafat. You cannot wait 1 minute. Harshraj? Harshini?
Present, sir.
Why you did not answer? I have every record. When I ask question, I have marked here. No answer means I have to put absent next time. Indrakshi. So please come prepared for the next class. You will have unit test. Okay. So yeah, I'll just all of you be there. Yes.
Samrit.
Sir, shall we sing?
Jyoti.
Present, sir.
Okay. Naivedya. Narendra. Naivedya is absent. Narendra is absent. Neenada MS. Nishkala is there.
Present, sir.
Deenada 034. Absent. What about Prajwal?
Present, sir.
Purushottam?
Present, sir. Sir, Prajwal, present.
Last class you are absent.
Yes, sir.
Last two classes. Why?
Only last class, sir. Only last class I was absent, sir.
Okay, done. What about Ripu Daman Singh? Rohit?
Present, sir.
Rohit is present. Ripu Daman Singh? Samrit?
Present, sir.
Last class?
Sir, last class there was a family casualty there.
Okay, then absent it is. Salvi Singh?
Present, sir.
Shreyas? Okay, rest of the people, no, I'll take again to Shubham. Shubham is absent. Saksena, Shreyas Saksena. Vachana.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
If you answer that time, I'll mark present. That's it. Okay, so you please answer questions only in the break. Don't disturb next class. Go to attend the next class. Okay, I'll be posting question in JCR. 2 questions. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Right.